How to create a professional video intro using Keynote. Free Apple software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video intro for online learning, YouTube and social media post. To see how I created this, keep watching. Open Keynote and change the dimensions to 1280 by 720 and remove the text boxes so that you have a blank slide to work with. We are going to create a border for the intro. So go to the shape icon and click on the square. Then stretch the square over the slide and go over to the Border tab on the right-hand side of the page. Then select the picture border and select your border of choice. Now go to the Fill tab and change the color to No Fill. The screen will go white. Then add in a shadow and you will see the border that you have created. To insert a video to your slide, go to the Insert tab and select the video that you want to insert. Then go to the Arrange tab on the right-hand side of the screen, and send the video to the back of the slide. Go to the text icon and click on it to insert your text. You can change the font and color of the text by going to the Font section, and you can change the text color by going to the Color tab. Adding animation. Go to the Animate tab in the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on the text or image that you want to animate, and select your animation. I've selected Anvil for this tutorial. Then go to the Build Order tab, and order your animation and add a delay. Adding a new slide and images. Go to the top left-hand side of the screen, and insert a slide. Now you need to add in your video and images. Copy and paste your border from your previous slide. You can do this by clicking on the border, and pressing Command C, and then go over to your new slide and press Command V. Now add your images on top of your video and border. Go to Insert and then select your images and then insert them onto your slide. To remove the white background, go to Image, in the right-hand side of the screen. Click on Instant Alpha, and then hover the cursor over the image to remove the white background. Save your intro by going to the File tab, clicking on Export and then clicking on iMovie. Give your video a name. And once it is saved, press play and add it to your online learning, YouTube or resources video. We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.